You women out there love sex just as much as men, and when you go to the bar or the club and you want to find that hookup, well, you want to do it more safely, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you, well, not judgment, just information on how you can make that happen more safely. Let's get started. Hooking up is clearly something that both men and women do, and it takes two to tango. But when it comes to men and women, there are different opportunities to discuss hooking up and information about doing it more safely. So when this question was submitted to one of my YouTube comments, I realized that, well, this might be something I want to address and need to address because there isn't a whole lot of information and discussion out there for women who want to hook up, one, and then who are wanting to know how can I do this more safely. So in this video, I want to share with you ladies how you can hook up with a guy that you maybe meet at a club or a bar and you want to do it safely. So I want you to remember this. You have what he wants and you plan to give it to him, so it would be wise for him to go with the flow because it would be mutually beneficial. If you have preferences for having sex, like how, when, where, or with protection, you can't be afraid to express them because even though this is something mutually beneficial, you're in a power position because you have something that he wants. So understand this. A man who knows he's going to get laid is going to be very open and receptive to listening to and abiding by the conditions that are going to make that happen. So if you want a more safe and comfortable feeling experience, yes, it's partly on you to express those things that will make it feel more safe and comfortable to you, to him. Don't expect him to know and understand without being told. It would be nice, but you can't expect that. Go ahead and share that information with him. If you don't want to go to his place and prefer yours, tell him. And if you're going to need condoms, tell him. If he doesn't have any, well, he can acquire them or pick them up on the way. And if you need to tell your friends that you're going to leave the bar or the club with him, tell him. Ladies, do you understand how much you're actually in the driver's seat right now? How much power you actually hold? Because it's not about you taking advantage or manipulating a man. You're actually helping him. You're helping him help himself. You're helping him achieve something that's mutually beneficial. And considering the outcome, trust me, he's going to be very motivated to take in that information and receive it well and abide by it. But here's the thing. Sometimes you women and everyone in general seems to think that guys just know everything about hooking up. No, they don't. They don't know everything about what to say or what to do to be super smooth, to do it without mistakes, and to ensure that it happens. And for sure, they don't have all the answers about making you feel safe and comfortable all the time. So sometimes, well, you need to speak up for yourself. You need to share your standards, your requirements, because in those situations, if you can express them and you have a decent guy, trust me, I'm very confident that he's going to be listening to those requests, those accommodations, because I'm sure they're going to be reasonable. So, what guy wouldn't listen to them? A sane, good man will. Thanks for watching. If you appreciated the content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you believe that learning about better strategies for life and love is advantageous, I invite you to join Get Game Group. Membership is free, open to men and women, offers weekly game video lessons, and a weekly mailbag for member submissions. Click the link in the description to join.